Right, just a little update on the Amanco Hired man. Right, so went through the igniter and carburetor a couple of days ago. Took the igniter out. There's the igniter here. Cleaned the tabs in there. Cleaned it all out. But generally give it a good clean. It's not too much to them, but it was them two contacts are the main thing. And still no joy. And it was running lovely, sort of a couple of days before. So what I've decided to do, I've took the magneto off and I'm going to have it remagnetised. It's not something I can do. So that's going to go away to be remagnetised. It's a low tension magneto, so there's not much else you can do to them. You can rewire them, but the gentleman I'm talking to, he's repaired over 1,000 of these. And he said these are really reliable magnetos, and he's only ever rewired 3. And he said, and he didn't even think they needed doing. So these are so he's coming off. He's remagnetising it, and he's just going to go through and generally check it over, and that's it really. So there's not much else I can do for a moment. But I have got the paint has arrived now. So what I can do now is give it a proper degrease while parts are off. Give it a proper degrease and start doing some painting and decorating. Yeah, because I've got all this off now. It's all gunged up in there. I mean, you expect to grease around here. You're applying grease, so you expect a bit of grease. But I can take the cover off. I'm gonna give it. Now I've got parts off, I'm gonna give it a jet wash. Degrease, jet wash, sand down, and then start doing a bit of painting. I've got the I've got the some new badges, but overall, like I said, overall I think it's a solid engine, and I just want to get this. I'm just trying to, with the magneto, I'm just trying to eliminate possible problems. So if I've that remagnetised and checked over by someone who does them all the time, then I know that's good. I can eliminate that problem if there's any problems. Same with this. Now it's got these little mica washers just behind that copper tab, brass tab in there. They might be fouling, so he'll do electrical test on it and just see how it is. But such an easy machine to work on, and all big giant chunky bolts. You know, I'm normally working on these model steam engines, and this is easy. You know, you can get a proper spanner out and bloody work on it. So anyway, it's only a quick one, guys. I'm going to leave it there. But yeah, so painting and decorating today, degreasing, jet washing, painting and decorating. These parts are going off, and I expect them to be back in a couple of weeks. So I should imagine the next update will probably be when I've got these back and when they're fitted, and see how we go from there. All right, I'll leave it there, guys. Cheers.